Hi guys, I'm going camping and help me pack. So at first it's gonna be clothes, then pajamas. I'm gonna pack the super cute shorts. They're so adorable. I just wanna pack these so cute. They're just so cute. And yeah, I wanna go packing. I'm gonna pack. And yeah. So having a good summer. Good. Okay. Okay. This really cute little top that could go with the pants. It's really cute. Got it from Walmart. It's really adorable. So adorable. And I'm gonna take 2 sweaters because it's gonna might be cold in the it just might be cold in the night. I'm gonna also take this really cute little skirt. Take that. I'm gonna take that. I'm also gonna take this really cute little swimsuit. This little 2-part swimsuit. Just gonna okay. Then I also have this little shirt, cute little shirt, and it's so adorable. I just love it. I'm just obsessed with it. It's like a cute shirt. Okay, I also have this shorts. Those are shorts. Top. Okay. I also gonna have these. They're so cute shirt. It's so adorable. I'm also gonna take my pajamas. I'm gonna take this one. It's so cute. This one, and the other part is this one. So cute. Okay. Side right here. Right here. Side. Okay, and these black shorts. This little cute thing that I haven't been trying. And these ones, this little cute. This little thing, maybe for sleeping. Now we are going to do this one, which is also black shorts. It's also like just in case. I'm also gonna take this sweater because first of all it's so cute and it's so comfortable and it's so pretty. It's cute. So let's put that. Okay, now it's time to do I feel like I'm not gonna take this sweater. I was, but never mind. I already have the sweater right there. And then yeah. And then let's do this. Oh wait, shoot. We need to put that. Okay. let's do a towel, and we're already gonna be set. It's all set. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna how it's gonna fit, but okay. You need to go like that, or like, oh, frick, I've never. Okay, I feel like it goes like that. Okay, beautiful. I think, yeah. Now let's go into the other section. I'm gonna put these my skincare and hair products. I'm gonna put it inside. Also I'm gonna do this one, this pillow, because yeah, there was no other small pillows. Why is it so hot? Okay, I'm actually not gonna put this because I'm also gonna do this jewelry box. It's so cute, so freaking cute. So I'm gonna take this. I'm also gonna take some books just in case I want to read. Like, I love reading. Well, I'm just obsessed with it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put on the others. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, now it's time to do also I'm gonna take some game. I'm gonna take Guess Who. Right there. I'm gonna also take this floaty. I'm gonna float it right when we get there. I feel like I'm gonna put this in. Okay, beautiful. I'm also gonna take my cute little plushie that smells so good. It is Pigeon, and he has a cookie. I'll take a cookie here and eat it, so it's so good. I'm also gonna take my bear slippers, and that's gonna be a problem because I don't know. I'm gonna fit that. The bear slippers. Gonna be a problem. Let me just first put the big spinner. Come the bear slippers. Next, I don't know. I'm gonna put the jewelry box, I guess, and the piglet. I'm gonna put. No, I don't feel like I'm gonna take the bear slippers. I'm gonna take them like in another place. Okay. Like that. And make like that. Okay. I think I can maybe fit these bear slippers. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try to. Okay, that's. I don't know why I did. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this. It's gonna take a while, I think. Okay. I'm gonna try to solution it real quick. So you guys, I don't know how to fix it. I feel like I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, that works, I think. Okay, I feel like it'll work. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some slippers because we're gonna go swimming. There. Here we're gonna go swimming. I'm gonna take my little plushie. Yeah. Now let's zip it. Okay, now let's check. Let's do the other side since this one's budge doing it. Oh my gosh, this one ain't going to budge either. We're not going by ear. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my little plushie again. I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, next I'm gonna put my squishies. This is the butter. I love butter, so I love my butter. And just in case, like, I need my fidgets. What? Okay, I'm gonna take my butter squishies. My butter. also gonna take. Okay, I'm also gonna take a different bag because yeah, this one. It's like a water squishy. I think these two I'm gonna go in the bag with me because yeah. So, and these books, I don't know where to put them. I do not know heck know where to put them. So I feel like I'm just gonna put them in here. In this bag. Okay. So I'm just kind of wet flying. I don't know where. Okay. Now let's shut the suitcase. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm first gonna put this one, and I'm also gonna take it off and stuff. Okay, it's gonna be hard because I think this won't budge. I think I'm gonna go one of those lemons that the one of girls that I have to sit on it and then like, does that even work? I don't think it does. I don't think that works. So oh my gosh, there we go. Here. Finally. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is heavy. This is so heavy. Now I'm done hacking my suitcase. Thanks for helping me. Bye. And now this is the suitcase, and we're already done. This is the suitcase, and we're already done. Bye.